Alright, this is my family's version of the poutine french fries. So we're just going to fry up some fries. And I'm using the Orida golden shoe fries. And we're going to top it off with the pulled chicken. So the pulled chicken, the french fries. We're going to use a little barbecue sauce in between. We're going to let that fry down first. And then I'll just put the chicken in the microwave. That's the quickest way to make. Alright, and then we'll see the next step. Alright, next I'm going to make a little cheese sauce. Just going to boil down. I have some 4 cheese, Mexican cheese. I don't need too much just to coat the fries. And then I added a little bit of milk, make it a little creamy. Stir that down over a low heat. Probably gonna add some more cheese in there. Let that simmer down. Then when that simmers down, put it right over the fries. Heat up the chicken, which is already in the microwave. I'll put on another batch of fries because my children, they can really chow down on some fries. So that should be done. Now I'll take that out nice and crispy. Put that in the pan. Get all that grease off of there. I'm waiting for the cheese to melt down some more. And there's the cheese. Look at that. Oh snap. That's gonna go good on them fries. Alright, turn that heat off because you do not want it to burn. Alright, let me get my chicken and then I'm gonna plate everything. Alright, so I plated the fries. Pour a little bit of cheese sauce on top of the fries. Oh, this stuff is delicious. This is cheesy, very cheesy. Well, if you're on a diet, you're not going to be on a diet with this right here, that's for sure. This is a cheat diet. Alright, making a mess. Right, and then afterwards, I'm going to put my pulled chicken on top. And there you have it. Alright, hope y'all enjoy.